Today we are going to learn 5 question words with 3 different tenses. So we will learn how do we ask our questions in a different tense, like in the past, the present, or in the future. สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to Learn Thai with Mod with me, Kru Pair. Before we start the lesson, if you like to speak Thai like a native speaker and speak with confidence, you are at the right place. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Learn Thai with Mod, and like us and follow us on Instagram, Learn Thai with Mod. And if you would like to become more conversational and speak Thai with confidence and speak like a native speaker, don't forget to join our online group course via Zoom. You can write us to this email to get a free assessment test before you enroll the course. We have classes for all levels. Either you want to start from zero, starting from scratch, or you want to take your Thai to the next level, we can help you. You can learn Thai comfortably at home. You don't have to leave home to go to school, and you can meet new friends from all over the world. So I would like to see you in my class. Alright, as you know that Thai language are very simple and easy because we don't have complicated or confusing tenses like in English do. So today we are going to learn 5 question words with 3 different tenses. So we will learn how do we ask our questions in a different tense, like in the past, the present, or in the future. When you know Thai simple present tense, you automatically can form a past tense or the future tense in Thai by learning 2 extra things. So past tense, you just have to add the past time phrases. For example, yesterday, last night, or last year. And for the future tense, we just add the word will. Alright, so let's start with the first question, what? So how do we ask what in 3 different tenses? So first of all, the word what, you probably remember, อะไร อะไร. So after you know the present tense, it was so simple and easy, you automatically can make it past or future. Alright, so for example, if you want to ask a present, like what are you doing? So simple and easy, you just say ทำอะไร ทำอะไร. And if you want to talk about in the past, like what did you do yesterday? So in Thai language, we don't really have did or was or were to show that it's already happened, but we add the time phrase in the end or in the beginning to show that it's already happened. So yesterday, it's obvious that's already happened because it's yesterday. So you can just say เมื่อวานทำอะไร เมื่อวานทำอะไร or ทำอะไร เมื่อวาน See, simple and easy, right? And if you want to make this a future, asking what are you going to do? So the important word to know when you want to talk about the future tense is the word will, which is จะ จะ So asking what will you do? Simple and easy. คุณจะทำอะไร จะทำอะไร And the second question is where? Where in Thai we say ที่ไหน ที่ไหน So when you want to make a present tense like oh where are you going for lunch? Asking your colleagues on lunchtime, you can say กินข้าวที่ไหน กินข้าวที่ไหน กินข้าว it literally means eat rice, but it's become a phrase for Thai people meaning have a meal. It's not necessary you can have pizza, spaghetti, but in Thai กินข้าว is have a meal. So where are you going for lunch? Where are you gonna eat? So you can say กินข้าวที่ไหน. And if you want to ask about in the past, like maybe last night, where did you go for dinner? Where did you eat last night? So you add the time phrase. Last night is เมื่อคืน เมื่อคืน. So you can put in the beginning or in the end. So by saying เมื่อคืนกินข้าวที่ไหน or กินข้าวที่ไหน เมื่อคืน. Alright, and if you want to ask this in the future, so don't forget the word จะ which is will. So you can say จะกินข้าวที่ไหน จะกินข้าวที่ไหน asking where will you go for where will you go for lunch, where will you go for dinner, or where will you go for breakfast. And the third question is when. When in Thai we say เมื่อไหร่เมื่อไหร่ so when are you learning Thai you can just say คุณเรียนภาษาไทยเมื่อไหร่คุณเรียนภาษาไทยเมื่อไหร่ and if you talk about when as in the past you want to know like a specific time like when did you learn Thai for example as I mentioned earlier that in Thai we don't really have did so you can just make it like a simple present tense you can just say you start learn Thai when คุณเริ่มเรียนภาษาไทยเมื่อไหร่คุณเริ่มเรียนภาษาไทยเมื่อไหร่ so เริ่ม is start so it's automatically know that you are talking about in the past because when did you start now you already started you are learning already so you want to know back before when did you start so you can just make it like a simple present tense or talking about in the future that when are you going to learn Thai you can say คุณจะเรียนภาษาไทยเมื่อไหร่ and the fourth question is why in Thai we say ทำไม for example if you asking your friend who is going to Bangkok and then you want to ask oh what are you doing why you go to Bangkok you can just say ไปกรุงเทพทำไมไปกรุงเทพทำไม or asking why did you go to Bangkok last week what did you do so you can add the time phrases last week which is อาทิตย์ที่แล้ว so why did you go to Bangkok last week อาทิตย์ที่แล้วไปกรุงเทพทำไม or ทำไมไปกรุงเทพอาทิตย์ที่แล้ว remember the time phrase for last in Thai we say ที่แล้ว so week is อาทิตย์so last week อาทิตย์ที่แล้ว or asking in the future that you know that your friends are going to Bangkok next month so you can say จะไปกรุงเทพทำไมจะไปกรุงเทพทำไม and the last question is who in Thai is ใคร so if you want to make it a present tense like you who are you learning Thai with at the moment so you can say เรียนภาษาไทยกับใครเรียนภาษาไทยกับใคร see simple and easy or if you want to ask in the future who are you going to learn Thai with so you can just add the word จะ which is will so simple and easy คุณจะเรียนภาษาไทยกับใครคุณจะเรียนภาษาไทยกับใคร and of course the answer is ครูแพร alright and if you want to talk about in the past like last year who did you go to Thailand with because in Thai remember we don't have the word did or the word went so you can just add the time phrases so who did you go to Thailand with last year so you can just say ปีที่แล้วคุณไปประเทศไทยกับใคร or คุณไปประเทศไทยกับใครปีที่แล้ว remember ปีที่แล้ว is last year again last is ที่แล้ว and year is ปี so last year ปีที่แล้ว see I told you Thai language is very simple and easy so if you like to be able to speak with your Thai friends and Thai family please come join our online group course don't forget to write us this email to get a free assessment test maybe you don't want to start from the beginning or you're not sure which level should you attend the class so write us this email to get a free assessment test and we will give you a suggestion which class is best or which class is suited for your levels. Alright, thank you very much for watching. If you have any comments or any questions, please feel free to leave it here. Alright, and again, thank you very much for watching. I will see you again next video. ขอบคุณค่ะ